consider this to be a level 2 Shabath because although the Vaja part is really easy, it is important that you focus more on your singing and focus on hitting the right notes. To access the full recording, go to the link in the description, 2014, August Sacramento Samagam, and you can find Pushpinder Banji's audio here. Let's take a look at how Pushpinder Banji does this line. Prabh, Bhaavo, Bhaavo, man jo apane, Prabh, Bhaavo. Let's take a look at how Pushpinder Banji does this line. नीचो नीच नीच अतनाना होए गरीब बुलाओ नीचो नीच नीच अतनाना होए गरीब बुलाओ I would recommend doing Nicho Nich Nich Up Nana Hoy Garib Bhaavo after every line. So if you want to go back to the main line, I would recommend starting with Nicho Nich and then do Man Jo Apane Bhaavo and then Nicho Nich Nich Up Nana Hoy Garib Bhaavo again and then move on. So I put tiny little arrows for when I think you should do Nicho Nich again. If you're getting confused by what I'm saying, then I would recommend listening to Pushpinder Banji's recording, and it's kind of how she does it. it's on here. Anikaya dambar maya ke pirthe. And then 2 on here. Tasya preet katavo. So a little bit simpler version of this would be Tasya preet katavo. Tasya preet katavo. Tasya preet katavo. So that's basically the entire Shabath. I underlined parts of all the lines that are the same tune, and yeah, so I'll show you guys how to sound out all the words in the tune next, but this is just so you know that these are what all the different tunes are. Jiau apano swami sukh mana tamaso bhaavo dasan das ren dasan ki jan ki tehel kamaavo sarb sukh badiyai nanak jivo mukha bhaavo. That is all for this tutorial. If you have any questions or would like to request a tutorial for a specific Shabath, please let me know in the comments below.